さんおはようございます。こんにちは、こんばんは。Whichever part of the world you are tuning in from, welcome back and thank you for joining me. ありがとうございます。Today we're going to review and practice the voiced katakana letters from ga to zo. I've included 2 interactive exercises to help you strengthen your recognition and recall. Plus, we'll wrap things up with a flashcard round to test what you know. If you'd like some extra practice or support, don't forget to check out the description box below for helpful links and offers. Let's get started. Let's begin by reviewing each letter. I'll pronounce them one by one, and if you can, try to repeat after me. As you follow along, keep in mind the sounds of the vowels, that is, a, I, U, E, O. If you find any of the letters tricky to pronounce, try shortening the vowel sound slightly or spend a little bit more time polishing your vowel pronunciation. Vowels are, one more time, a, I, U, E, O. Now, starting with the G row. Here we go. Ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Here's what they look like side by side. Ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Next is the Z row. Za, ji, zu, ze, zo. And this is what they look like side by side. Za, ji, zu, ze, zo. Just a quick note on the letter G. You might notice that this letter is usually pronounced with a J sound rather than a Z sound. Take the example of the word gym. In Japanese, it's pronounced jimu with a J sound, not zimu. So if you're aiming for a native-like pronunciation, try using that gentle J sound when you come across a word that includes this letter. Moving on to the guided exercise, let's start with katakana undercover. Here's how it works. I'll show you a word, and your task is to figure out which letter should be voiced. Let me walk you through the first one. We have ka, mu. Mu isn't one of the voiced letters, so we have to focus on the letter ka. Now think, how does ka change its sound when voiced? That's right, it becomes ga. So kamu turns into gamu, which means gum in English. Just remember, throughout this exercise, you're choosing only from the letters ga to zo. Let's keep going. Okay, next up, let's try katakana bingo. Grab a pen and paper and draw a 4x4 grid. It should look something like this. Now, fill in your grid using any mix of the following letters. Voiced letters, choose from ga through go and za through zo. And unvoiced letters, ka through ko and sa through so. Just be sure to choose only from these 4 rows. I'll give you 30 seconds to set up your grid. Pause the video if you need more time. All right, are you ready? There will be 4 rounds. Each round will include 5 letters. Listen carefully to each katakana pronunciation, and if you hear a letter that's on your grid, mark it off. Round 1. Ka, gi, sa, go, se. Okay, I hope you're still with me. Round 2, here we go. Ke, zu, za, ku, ji. Now for round 3. Su, ki, shi, ge, ko. One more row to go. Stay sharp and let's keep rolling. Final round. Ga, ze, so, gu, zo. I hope you enjoy that exercise. Whether you got a bingo or not, what really matters is that you're tuning in, picking up the sounds, and spotting them on your grid. Great job. Now let's cool down with a final flashcard round to reinforce what we've learned. That's all for today. Fantastic work. I hope you had fun and found this lesson helpful for your katakana practice. Keep exploring and reviewing these letters, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, mata ne! Bye bye!